Today we are going to make a delicious mango smoothie. Here are all the ingredients: fresh mangoes, milk, yogurt, sugar, and ice. First, we are adding fresh mango chunks into the blender. Now we are pouring milk into the blender. Next, we are adding yogurt for a creamy texture. Now we are adding sugar to make it sweet. Now we are adding ice cubes to make it cold and refreshing. Now we are closing the blender lid. Now we are blending everything together until smooth and creamy. Now we are pouring the smoothie into a glass. Our delicious mango smoothie is ready to enjoy.